Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get some nice chrome accents along this vehicle with tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a bed camera as well, with a nice tailgate step, side bed steps with mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platform gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection. You got some lights on the mirrors as well. And moving to the front here, we do get a nice recovery hook, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, flat fold storage system, carpet interior with floor mats. We got some heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, 120 volt with cup holders ahead of you, and we do get cup holders here, arm space, and of course we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which has plenty of storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, B&O Sound System, parking brake pedal adjusters, lights, tailgate, spotlights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 74 kilometers. We do get this nice heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauge, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You got cup holders, you get 2 more if need be, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and it does close. We got that nice leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. You got some nice lights on there, 2 USB-Cs, drive mode with rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, not 4-wheel, well, of course, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, engine start stop, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here, 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and a nice powered rear window opener. We do have a nice feature for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter. Clicking here, we do have a 360 view of our vehicle. You can change the camera angles. I'm going to click into our bed so you can keep a good eye on your stuff, hazards and traction, engine brake and hill. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, vehicle settings, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC88484, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.